This is one of our HVAC indoor air handlers. This is so far, this is the east unit, or the most east unit. I'm still looking for one. I've only found 3. Our P-traps are nice and deep. Our drain pans discharge to obvious locations. We have care and use manuals. These are high energy efficient units. Some of our air duct is kinked, crushed by the gas piping, that kind of thing. Air filters are at the units. Coming along in here, kind of get some pictures so you can see my method. Do a zoom picture here. I wanted to do a picture of earlier. The lack of pan flashing under that window. That's another picture I wanted to get. I'm a picture getter. Come on. It's our electric load center. This is crazy. And it used to be 20 feet, but if you got a walkway, it's more acceptable by current standards to actually have a... So this is the middle one upstairs. A little more of a distance to go. Larger air filter, still a deep trap, still high efficiency. We got a care and use manual, we do. Getting some pictures of some data plates. Come on. I'm gonna get a model number here. This is just stapled up. There we go. Kinked air duct. Moving on along. We got daylight. If daylight can get through, water can get through. That's on your chimney. I know this is supposed to be the indoor air handlers video, but you know, some of these things you kind of go organically. Get Grampy down here. Can't step on this because of the other video, remember? But what you didn't see in the other video is the pink paint application. And you might not. We'll come back and spray that. How about that? More sagging air duct. And look at our loose structural sheathing over this corner over the patio. No matter how many different ways I count it, I'm going to go downstairs and go to the other side of the house and look for the 4th condensing unit. Again, deep P-trap, obvious location, high energy, care and use manuals present. air filter's at.